quality. That's why when you shop with us, you'll find an expert behind the meat counter. We stand as one of the only companies to have state-certified meat cutters professionally trained in the science and craft of meat cutting. And only after over 4,000 hours of experience and a 2-year apprenticeship do you become a certified meat cutter. The result? Custom cuts of meat that are tender, juicy, and flavorful. This is our promise to you. Stater Brothers, fresh, affordable, community first.
You know the saying, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. It's especially true when it comes to your heating and cooling system. A precision tune-up and professional cleaning cost a little bit up front, just $88, but it will prevent much bigger, more expensive problems later. A tune-up will also extend the life of your system by years. So what are you waiting for? Call Service Champions to schedule an $88 precision tune-up today.
Service Champions, plumbing, heating, AC, and good fees for free.
Clippers basketball lives on KTLA 5.
Good morning, I'm Annie Rose Ramos at the scene of a fatal car crash here in Canoga Park. Coming up, we have a closer look at just how many cars were involved and many people were left injured in this car crash.
And a massive fire erupts from underground in Santa Monica. Details on what happened here just ahead.
And you could send your name to the moon. We'll explain how coming up.
And we are waking up to cold and windy conditions, some precipitation too in certain spots. We're going to talk about all of that coming up.
Good morning. Welcome to the KTLA Weekend Morning News at 6 a.m. I'm Pedro Rivera.
And I'm Lauren Lister. We thank you so much for joining us on this Sunday, a cold, windy Sunday. Casey was talking about this yesterday.
Yeah.
And right on cue, Casey, things were blowing all over the freeway when I was driving in.
Yeah, all those palm fronds in the streets, making it like you got to dodge around it. But even seeing the winds from this Huntington Beach camera right now. And again, temperatures are going to be much cooler today. You will definitely notice the difference when you step outside. We are seeing a little bit of precipitation, some snow flurries in those mountain communities, light shower activity through parts of San Bernardino. For Big Bear will be in the 50s today for the Inland Empire, 54 for Van Nuys today, and 46 in Palmdale. And we'll talk about the rest of the week coming up.
Casey, thank you. Let's get to breaking news. 2 people are dead following a violent multi-car crash in Canoga Park.
It happened on Topanga Canyon. 4 others were injured in the wreck. KTLA's Annie Rose Ramos is live at the scene of the crash with what we know this morning. Annie Rose.
Lauren, good morning to you. We are standing on Topanga Canyon Boulevard, which would usually have a busy cars going through it. But as you can see behind me, it is still completely shut down because of this car crash. What we know so far is that 4 cars were involved and 6 people were injured. As you mentioned, 2 people pronounced dead right here at the scene. All right, we want to go to some video that we have where you can get a closer look of the impact of the crash. You can see some of the wreckage of those cars here on Topanga Canyon Boulevard, the mangled mess of the 4 cars involved. Extensive damage to 3 of them. This car's crash, we know, involved 3 moving cars at the time of the collision, and then at one point the car struck a 4th car that was parked here on this boulevard. The 2 victims pronounced dead were trapped inside the wreckage. We know now from police, one was a man, one was a woman, we believe in their 20s. 2 other people were transported to a local hospital by the fire department, thought to be in critical condition at this time, and 2 others only had minor injuries and didn't need to be transported to the hospital. One of the silver sedans involved in this crash, it had major damage to the front of the car. It was towed away just a couple of minutes ago. We saw it being towed away. 2 other cars remain here at the scene, what looks to be an SUV and a smaller silver sedan. We spoke to the police department more about this crash. Take a listen.
The driver of a older model Honda Civic that had been traveling southbound for some unknown reason at this point crossed over into northbound lanes, collided with the Toyota Camry. The impact between those 2 vehicles caused the Honda Civic to rotate, at which time the driver was ejected and his front right passenger was killed as a result of the impact. Speed is going to play a factor in this collision, in addition to the fact that we do believe that the vehicle that was traveling southbound crossed over into northbound lanes for some unknown reason.
Lauren and Pedro, you heard there from police themselves saying that speed was a major factor in this car collision, in this fatal car collision that has left 2 people dead, 2 others in the hospital, and 2 with minor injuries.